It's Liao here, and today I'm going to quickly explain how to interpret the support and resistance levels for our indicator suite at startup.io, which you can get in the bio below if you're interested. So it's obviously been a brutal time for the markets, but I think this is a great opportunity to improve our technical analysis and be better prepared for the future. So if you like this type of content, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Just note that these are my opinions only, and it's not meant to be financial advice. Results do vary. So let's hop right into trading view here and take a look at ONDS on the daily chart. So we have this massive dip over here, and we have the pink diamonds, which are bearish, and the blue diamonds, which are bullish. So I explained what these diamonds mean in another video, as well as the shapes in future videos. But in this video, we're going to focus on these levels. So there's three types of levels which we color code in our suite. We have the gold level, the silver levels, and the green and purple level respectively. So we want to see how the price reacts at those levels to essentially validate what the diamonds are trying to tell us. So you can see how we got the pink diamonds first, and then we closed below that gold support. And that was essentially a validation that the drop was going to continue. And you can see how the mountain also turned gray. And it hasn't been green for a while, but it could turn green soon. So I'm watching that very closely. And basically, when two types of levels stack together, it acts as very strong support or resistance. In this case, it's resistance. And you can see how the price action wicked perfectly, and then it's experiencing turbulence as expected. And I also explained this on X, but I hope this video makes it more clear. So to get really bullish and essentially validate that blue diamond, we would need to break above that level and close above it. And so whenever we breach a level, the base assumption is that we're going to have a retest. So when we broke below that gold, we did indeed come back up, but it failed to close above the gold again, and then the drop accelerated. So I think those are great entries if I was in a short. So a ideal long entry for me would be to close above it and then have some sort of retest of that gold level. And then invalidation would be closing below the gold again. But at that point, we usually just assume it's going to go higher. So that, in my opinion, decreases the risk of the trade massively because the very important level has already been cleared. So when two types of levels stack together, as I mentioned, it acts as very strong resistance in this case. And when there's only one level, it's not as strong, but we still want to watch how the price reacts at that particular level. So our suite is all about alignment. We want to consider all these different elements of our suite and then come to a conclusion of whether to be in or out of a trade at any given time. And the suite makes it super easy and very fast. So just looking at this, you can see the price action is starting to get bullish, and the bullishness would accelerate if we're able to breach that level.